This is a live chart of Bitcoin versus US dollar. As you can see, it is forming higher highs. Let me zoom in so that you can see higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Now on this app, as you can see, you can change the graph of these charts to form this graph, or you can change it to form candlesticks. As you can see, most people don't know how to use FxPro Direct, and this is time frame 1 minute, 5 minutes, up to 1 hour. For our sake, we have chosen 1 minute time frame. That's why you are seeing a graph going down and going up, down, up. This is our 1 minute time frame on Bitcoin versus a US dollar. Now you need to trade size in lots. This you can click on add, you can click on minus. Now we have placed our first trade on FxPro Direct. As you can see here where it's indicated to trade one, that is 1 minute trade, and as you can see something moving like $50, $52, with some $59 and coming down. This is our trade. We have placed our live trade and we are waiting for time to elapse to determine whether we've lost or we've won this trade. So we are waiting patiently to see the outcome. Now welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to use FxPro Direct. Now this is fund your wallet. Now if you want to fund your wallet, you can add funds to your FxPro Direct, then start taking Forex trading. Now to fund your wallet, you can click on add funds here, and this app will direct you to a funding methods. For example, we have different methods that you can deposit money to your FxPro Direct. So you click here, and then you can deposit your money using mobile money. Here in Kenya, I have Airtel stroke M-Pesa. If you're watching this video from other countries, you can use credit stroke debit card, Binance Pay, USD, or Ethereum. Now this is the homepage or interface of this app. We have Popular, and Popular we have spot gold ounce versus US dollar. We have Euro versus US dollar, Bitcoin versus US dollar versus Japanese yen. We have also spot silver ounce versus US dollar. We have Nasdaq 100 and British pound versus US dollar. These are popular that you can partake on trading. We have also open markets. This is weekend only gold versus US dollar. We have weekend only silver versus US dollar. Weekend only WTI spot oil. Weekend only US Nasdaq 100. Remember, if you are trading on weekend, you can open on these assets. Now, when we talk about Forex, we have Canadian dollar versus Swiss franc. We have Canadian dollar versus Japanese yen, Swiss franc versus Japanese yen, Euro versus Canadian dollar, Euro versus British pound, Euro versus Japanese yen, and many more. You can trade Forex on these strings or on these assets. Now, when we talk about stocks, stocks we have Tesla, we have Nvidia, or we have Apple, or we have Google, we have Amazon, Microsoft. You can trade on these stocks. We have Meta and a advanced micro device. You can also trade on Netflix and Coinbase and United Health Group. You can. These are stocks. These are stocks that you can trade upon. So if you want to trade on stocks, you can either choose Amazon or other things. We have metals. On metals, we have aluminium, we have copper, we have gold. You can trade on copper versus US dollar. You can trade on aluminium. You can trade on gold versus euro, or gold versus gold grams versus US dollar. You can trade on these metals. It depends on you. Do you want to trade on stocks, Forex, metals, or even open markets? So it depends on you. And make sure when you are starting trading, make sure to have at least a knowledge on any of these assets. Just don't pick any metal or any asset and then start trading. At least you need to have a little bit of knowledge to trade on. If you want to trade on Nasdaq, you can learn the charts on how Nasdaq moves. Then you trade on Nasdaq. We have futures, and futures includes cocoa. We have cocoa of September 2026. We have coffee. We have corn. You can also trade on futures. These are cocoa, corn, and coffee. So it depends on you. You want to choose on it or not. Now, most people ask me, what if I trade on cryptos? It's well and good. It depends on the scale. Now we have cryptos, and this is AAVE versus US dollar. We have Algo Grant versus US dollar. We have Apto versus US dollar. These are cryptos that you can trade upon. We have also 365. That's why I told you that FxPro has several assets that you can trade upon. You can also trade on ETFs. As you can see, these are ETFs that you can trade on. And right now it's pending because I'm shooting this video on the weekend. Remember, Forex trading, you can trade from Monday up to Friday. We have also spots. As you can see, this is Australian 200 spot. We have FTSE China. We have China H shares, Euro Stocks 50 spot index, and more so. So those are assets that you can trade upon. If you are a beginner, my friend, I'm telling you, don't deposit your real money and then start trading direct. Make sure to start with demo account. If you just deposit your money and then start trading, you will wipe your account very easily. Then start saying that trading is actually a scam. But if you learn and practice using demo account, you will find Forex trading very interesting, very profitable once you consider trading with the discipline. Let me show you an example. If we want to trade Bitcoin versus US dollar, Forex trading is very much easy. So we click on this asset, then the chart will open. As you can see, the market has been moving downwards. So what we are going to do is that we are going to set our stop loss and take profit. And make sure to set your stop loss and take profit unless you are just gambling. If you don't set these things, it means you are just guessing. You are not doing what we call a Forex trading. So when you set your take profit, you are on the safer side.